I'm smoking the bird out. I just saved him yesterday. I try to let him fly. I have a video of that too. I'll post it. We already smoked the whole blunt, so I'm just trying to figure out what's gonna happen now. He's pretty cool, so I don't know. I just want to help it. Shit, I'm an animal person. Look, I have a whole family right here. Daddy right here. Hey, Daddy. That's Pico. This is Pico. This is Fredo. I named her Frieza because she's so fucking evil and cute. This is Mama, Lola. And this is Keela. Keela Pan. That's what I named her, Keela Pan, because I like Pan too from Dragon Ball. But anyway. Bird. Wild bird I just found at the, as I'm pulling up to my tattoo appointment. After the tattoo, he's like walking around in the car and stuff. And, I don't know.